To replace the Bergerac Plancha's igniter button, you will need a T25 Torx screwdriver. Remove the plate and then the drip tray. Unscrew the two screws from the panel. Turn the frame upside down and remove the two screws. Turn the frame right side up again to take off the panel. Unplug the wires from the button, then remove the button by squeezing the quick release wings. Finally, install the new igniter button by repeating the various steps in reverse. Do an ignition test to ensure the igniter button is working. The Plancha is ready.